link? Relative clause? I'm still editing. The PDF? I'm still editing the PDF, okay? There and it. Let's see this. There and it. I think this is useful. You know, in English we have these there and it sometimes. They kind of prepare as a preparatory it. Preparatory it. Something like that. It has no meaning. It has technically no meaning, okay? It. Yeah? Okay? There or it. Okay, let's discuss this. When you say that something is, something exists, something is, then you use there are, there is, right? We discussed this semester, remember? And I still see you making these mistakes. Okay? There are some cups on the table. There is a cup on the table. Not have a cup on the table. Right? There is. So this there is just like there is no meaning. It's just to form the sentence. Do you understand? Okay? There. We use there to say when or where something is, exists. Kind of like a nipata, okay? We use there to say that something exists or is happening. There is a problem. There was an accident, you see? Okay? Okay. Something exists or is happening, okay. I think maybe, do you prefer we discuss the table or we go to the text over here? Maybe the explanation is better, right? Let me try. So, when we use there, the first time you mention something, for example, there are some cups on the table, okay, but then you want to say, there are some cups on the table, yes, and then you can use it to refer to that. For example, there was an accident, it was horrible. Then it refers to accident, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no? There was an accident, it was horrible. If it's plural, some cups, then you use they. They to refer to things. Yes. It, we use it to talk about something, again in the conversation, okay, there was a party tomorrow, it will be fantastic, you know this. We use it to talk about times and dates. It's my mom's birthday today. Let's go home, it's very late. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, this it doesn't refer back to anything. Okay, it's like a preparatory it. In terms of grammar, I don't know what is the meaning. They are not explaining over here, see? And we can use it to talk about the weather, for example. It's very windy, it's a nice day, it's raining, right? It's raining. It doesn't mean anything, the it over there, okay? But you have to use it to make the sentence. It's 4 degrees. Distance. How far is it? It's not it, like not really asking about something. How far is it is like, okay? It's not very far, like sometimes you may refer to actual something, like the city is very far. It is far. But sometimes you're just talking about distance in general. Yeah. It doesn't have that meaning. It's just meaningless. Meaningless. It's a long way to the nearest petrol station, you see? It's a long way, it doesn't refer to anything. It doesn't refer to anything. It's 2 kilometers from the hotel to the station, okay? It doesn't do anything. We use far in negative sentences and questions, and a long way in affirmative sentences. Let's see this. It's adjective 2. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. Wait. This note over here. We use far in negative sentences and questions. Not, you see negative, far. It's not far. Or questions, how far is it? But this is not negative and it's also not a question. So you don't use far. It's a long way. We don't say it's far to the nearest petrol station. It's far. You understand? We don't say it like that. It's far, I think. It's far. It's 2 kilometers. Yeah, it's a long way. Yeah, we tend not to use far for the affirmative. But if somebody asks, is it far? Yes, it's far. You can say that. Yeah, you can say that. But here you see, you don't say it's far to the nearest station. It's far to the, yeah, we don't say that. Okay? So a little difference here between far and long way. Which one to use?
Is far from here to? This is okay.
No, it's a long way from here to there.
Is far from here to?
No, it's a long way. Okay? If it's a question, is it far? Then it's okay. Is it far? Okay, but if you're just stating affirmative, then it's a long way. Or a great distance or some other expression, okay? Okay, let's see this. It's adjective and to with infinitive. It's nice, this is the adjective, you see. It is nice to see you. It's nice to see you. It was difficult to find the hotel. You see, it has no meaning. Common mistakes. I think the worst part of the exam, it's speaking. Ah, okay. What is the problem? No, it. No, it. The worst part of the exam is speaking. Okay? We do not use it when the subject of the verb, the worst part of the exam, you see? This is the subject of the clause. I is another subject. Think is a verb. And now you have a new clause. This is a subject, the worst part of the exam. This entire clause is acting as the object of think. Yes.
If I put some quotation, is it okay?
No, we don't say that. We don't use like that. We don't use quotations. We don't use quotations. I said. If you want to say like direct speech, then you use the quotations. I said, I think. Yeah, it's not normal, but maybe it's okay. Like, as if it was direct speech, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's not normal, not normal. In Pali, when we are translating, this type of thing occurs, right? Yeah.
Because in Pali it should be like
Quotation.
to mark in the thinking.
Iti.
Yeah, like iti.
Yeah, in English we don't normally do that. If you just think, normally you just not as in quotations normally.
Consider the
Things we say normally we put in quotations.
like an object of the thing.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is an entire clause. The main clause is I think, and then this is the object of what you think. So this is an object, also another clause, you know. And then this clause has this as a subject, and then is the verb, and speaking. Speaking is the complement.
And if I put some word, if I think that,
Yeah, I think that the worst part of the exam is speaking, yes. Sometimes the connective that conjunction is dropped.
the quotation is also not necessary.
If you use that, then you don't use quotation. Yeah. Okay? So when the subject of the verb is in the sentence, okay, because it here would substitute the subject, right? So you already have the subject here, the worst part of the exam. So you don't repeat it. Two subjects, okay? I love their music. Here. I love their music. Now you want to say that their music is fantastic, but it's a new sentence, you see? So then you need a subject on the new sentence. It's fantastic, not is fantastic, right? Okay. Okay, right? One more.